Hey guys, welcome back to another Makeup Monday with me, Letty. I'm gonna be continuing the series where I'm trying different makeup that I've never tried before. So today we're gonna be trying dark feminine makeup, and obviously dark feminine just like goes with my froggy headband and my orange slurpy slushy tongue. But I love makeup that makes me look like I'm gonna kill a man, so let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna be starting off with some primer. Just gonna put a little bit on my hands and rub that into my face. Remember guys, always start with primer. It just makes your makeup go on so much better, not as patchy, and kind of like last a little longer. All right, then I'm gonna be plopping on some foundation. Just gonna be adding a little bit, a couple dots here, and then we're gonna blend that in. Then I'm going to contour, and they contour a little differently than I normally contour too. So this is gonna be another fun try. So I'm going to just put the contour and like angle it down. So I'm kind of following my cheekbone a bit and going down. And I'm just gonna blend that downwards. I tried to lighten my my contour a little bit so it wasn't so dark, but looks like I didn't lighten it enough. All right, the nose. Going to contour kind of down this way. And I'm still gonna contour my nose as I normally would. Now I'm gonna take some light concealer and conceal under the eyes. And go up here. And I'm also gonna try to touch up the cheek a bit. Okay, and then I'm blending that out. I'm going to take some light blush and just kind of tap it, following the contour, and blend it out a bit. Okay, and I'm going to take a little triangle puff and a little bit of setting powder and just set that in. So I'm starting on the sides of my nose, going into a triangle slant. Under my eye. I'm understanding based on the reference pictures that I got off of Pinterest. It looks like mostly I'm lining under my eye and doing like a cat wing. Anyway, we're gonna do it. I don't really use pencil liner, so I'm gonna take just some black eyeshadow on a angled brush, and I'm gonna start putting that just in my waterline. And I'm gonna take it out on my inner corner just a bit. Okay, and then we're gonna bring that up into a wing. Then taking that wing down and connecting it to the top lid. And just kind of filling that in. All right, I'm not hating it, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. All right, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of sparklies just above the eye. I'm gonna take a little bit of brown and in my crease, I'm just gonna buff that in there, follow my crease, and bring it out with the wing. For eyebrows, I'm gonna do my normal straight brow, and I'm gonna go in with some liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna tightly line the top of my lid. Just gonna add a couple random freckles. Looks like I already accidentally got some here. I'm gonna add one right here, 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 and here. Now for lips, I'm not really sure if I want to go with a red or just a nude, but I think I'm gonna try it with a red. First, I'm gonna line my lips with this dark gray. Alright, I'm just gonna try to like blend that in more. Alright, then I'm gonna go in with the red. Not fully vibing with it, but it's fine. I'm gonna do lashes and hair and I'll be right back. All right, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I'm not sure if I really did well on it. But let me know if you think that it kind of resembles my reference photos that I took off of Pinterest. Even though I don't know, in my opinion, I don't know if I encapsulated it. But I still like it. I still think it looks really good. I don't mind the red lipstick right now. I don't mind it. And then the hair. I like the hair. I do like the hair. But yeah. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what makeup you want to see me try next. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all of your support and watching all the way up until this point. I love you guys. And don't forget to follow all of my socials if you want to see like the pictures. The cute pictures that I'm gonna take afterwards. Anyway, I'm just like vibing with this. I really like it. I like it a lot. However, my hair is starting to grow again. I like flattened it down at the top, but it's starting to grow again. But it's fine. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I'll have a short video out on Wednesday and another makeup video, probably another try this. See you next time. Bye. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think